Hey everyone, Slim Reacts back with you with another channel. I'm still trying out different configurations for how to set up the streaming, so I'm just kind of playing around with things a little bit. I can't tell if, I don't know, does it look like to you guys if I had that the screen, the video shot right here is kind of lopsided, or is it my head? It is my head. Yeah, yeah. I don't know. I just want like more room. I mean, if I'm sitting back here at the desk back there behind me, I feel like I'm so cramped in and stuff like that, and I just can't really headbang and just let loose and stuff like that. So anyway, guys, so we're gonna do Spiritbox Rule of Nines, and heard this is a pretty cool group after I listened to Holy Roller. I thought, oh man, I gotta listen to more of these guys. So here we go, Spiritbox Rule of Nines. Let's go. I like that. I like that. It's that creepy horror, that little droning song. I mean, droning sound. It's like this creepy horror one. It's like, ooh, ugh. Man, I really like that slow melodic beat, and the vocals are on point. Yeah, I feel that it's kind of like it's setting it up for a hard breakdown compared to like Holy Roller, but it's, I don't know, I can't really explain it, but it's so cool. I'm waiting for the big drop. I'm waiting for this something to just to scream out of my screen, just take me in like the ring. The vocals got a bit of a Deftones feel. I mean, you think that she's gonna break out into something like huge, and then it's just mellow Deftones, everything of Deftones vibe. So it's just interesting so far, and I can't get it out of my head that she looks just like Robin from How I Met Your Mother. There it goes. It's so amazing how she can transition from the mellow, soft vocals to an absolute screaming banshee in 1 second. You know, not to make people can transition from that. The only person I can know who can do that perfectly is Ginger. But aside from that, no, that was excellent. I like that transition. That's amazing. And just quickly as that, back to that soft whisper. I feel that if Deftones could actually cover the song and then invite Corey Taylor to do all the screaming parts for the song too, that'd be just like the same thing. You hear that dissonant guitar in the background. That's such a cool riff. Damn. Wow. Let it all out, Spiritbox. Let's let it all out. Let all the noise out, man. So, I think that was it. Yep, that was it. Ah, crap. So, that was Spiritbox Rule of Nines, much different from from the last song that I reacted to, which was Holy Roller. You know, this song just had about it had a more Deftones vibe to it because it's so mellow, and at the end it's just she unleashes the fury of 1,000 suns on top of you, and just lets it all out. That type of sound, along with the dissonant guitar, the horror sound effect in the beginning and at the end, it makes the sound so interesting. It makes the band sound so unique, and that's something that's I'm trying to go for. I'm trying to react to more, and I like that style of music. It's just I either need to invest in better headphones or something, because these are okay, but I feel that even with crappy headphones, it's still good. It's still good to my ears. Anyways, guys, if you like this video and this reaction, and you like the format, comment down below. Subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna have more reaction videos for you guys. Some more Bandmate, some more Eskimo Cowboy. I got a request from some Thailand metalcore group. I got a lot of different songs to show you guys, and I'm also taking requests down below in the comments if you want me to react to them or show them out. Let me know. I can tell you that I'm a real reactor, meaning whatever reaction comes out of my face and out of my mouth is my real reaction. I'm not gonna fawn over every single song. I may trash a couple songs here and there, but it's a reaction, guys. That's how I do it. So peace out, man, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.